Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna share to you a tutorial on how you can add rainbow effect on your video in CapCut app. So here I've already add a video and I want to add some rainbow effect into it. So what you need to do if you want to do the same is at the bottom you can find the effects option. Just click on that and choose video effects. Okay, so here you'll find some category of the effects, so you just need to browse over to the left until you find the shadow effects, and here just scroll down until you find the rainbow. So there are two options that you can use, rainbow 1 and also rainbow 2. So for now I'm going to add just a rainbow 1. Just click on the effect. Okay, so here you can see there is some rainbow into it, and you can also adjust the effects, the speed, and also the background animations like this, and also the size of the rainbow. Okay, when you're done, just click on the check icon. Oops. Okay, so just set it until the end of the video like this. I'm going to delete at the end. So as you can see, the rainbow is there, and you can also add another effect. So for example, you want to also add the rainbow too, you can just click on the effects and it will be applied to your video, and you can also adjust it again, the speed like this, and so the texture and the background animation. Okay, so I think that's it. That is how you can add rainbow effect to your video on CapCut. I hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon and also leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next videos. Bye bye.